Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Shopify store. It is a fast and easy tutorial. In business, things don't always go according to plan. Whatever your reason for wanting to close or cancel your Shopify store, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. If you only want to temporarily shut your doors to the public, this guide will also outline how to pause your store until you're ready to open again. So, what you need now is to open your Shopify store from your web browser. Wait and give it some time to open and show everything. Once it has opened, just come here and click on Settings. Several options will be seen from your Shopify store and will be similar to this right here. So after that, you will need to go and see the option name Plan, just click on it. So add the plan details, view the terms of service and privacy policy. If you want to delete your Shopify store, just click on the cancel, and this will delete your Shopify store. So let's say you want to change the store ownership, just simply come here and click on store details and you can change it from here. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.